So guys, I bought a new tripod for my channel. This is so dark, so I want to do the unboxing. So this is the selfie stick L16. So I got from Mavi's collection, but their Instagram handle was taken down, and they have like a backup page. Mavi's for that proof. I'll put the stuff on the screen. So this is my new tripod. I've been wanting this tripod for long. I'm still new to it. So this is how you can open, like this is the stuff. So I'm trying to pull it. I'm sitting down, so it's way longer than this, and I have like, ouch, I have like a new tripod, and I'm so happy for this purchase. I'm very happy that I have this tripod now. Selfie stick, I'm calling it tripod, but like a selfie stick. I'm very happy. I bought this for 26,500 at Mavi's. Anyways, I walked into her shop and I got it. I didn't text them on WhatsApp or Instagram. I just screenshotted what I want on their Instagram page, because I stay in PH and their shop is actually close to my house, so I wanted to go for myself and see. So they showed me like two, another one and this one. So I feel this one is more stronger than the other one. So I'm happy for my purchase, and I just hope this will elevate my content creation. Like, I've been wanting to take content creation so serious, and I pray God with this, God will really give me like an insight of what to do and how to go about content creation. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye guys.